fall is on the way, and that means you are getting ready to host at least one get-together with family or friends. But you don't have to buy everything new. You can DIY most items. So for this tablescape, I put down a tree bark runner that can also be used as wall art. I made 4 placemats, and these were made from Dollar Tree hats. And just a FYI, the white plates are also from Dollar Tree. In addition, I made 4 coasters, and those were made from Dollar Tree puzzle game. I had on hand 4 smoky amber glasses, and I put those on top of my coasters. I had some black napkins with napkin rings that I had made from supply I had left over from the Dollar Tree hat. Next, I had some brown bottles around the house. There were various products that came in there. I cleaned them out, took off the labels, and for the larger brown bottle, I had some dried flowers that were given to me, and I put those in there, and along with a little pop of color of burgundy and lavender. For the 2 that were the same size, I had 3 long stem candles, so I put them together, kind of spread them out into the 2 smaller bottles. And I thought, wow, they look fabulous. I was thinking about maybe soaking them in some hot water and twisting them, but I kind of like the way this looks. I also had 2 wire acorns that look just fabulous on the table. This is such a nice twist to a fall tablescape versus having the orange and the browns. I would like for you to check out my TikTok to see how the flowers can be arranged in these small containers. So if you have liked this tablescape, please make sure to like, share, comment, and be sure to subscribe because I have a lot of new things coming this fall. And you take care and you have a good day, and remember to be kind to everyone. Bye-bye.